start of the journey. 700 miles to go, nothing done. Santander Airport. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling absolutely on top of the world. Can't wait to get started. The sun has gone in for about 30 seconds. We are going to roast.
Day 2. Just started out. 50 painful miles yesterday, 5 of which we did because we couldn't find the hotel. Bit of a climb out of where we were staying, but nice old view, and a climb to warm us up.
Here we are in San Sebastian, 97 miles out the way, feeling good. Only got tooted 5 times instead of 10 the day before, so must be getting good at driving on the right side. Here we are, day 3 in the beautiful Biarritz, the Millionaires Playground. Lovely surfing weather. Dave and I are considering going in. Hope you're impressed with his skills of putting things on the Facebook, because he's a real whiz. And
Right, it's day 4. We did 82 miles yesterday. A little bit wet, windy, endless bloody trees. Now Simon's decided to take me on a detour, a 40-mile extra detour to see these sand dunes, so better be good.
okay, here we are, Dave. Was the view worth it? Was it worth the extra miles?
Can't see much in the way of sand dunes. Nice view though. Now we've gone from cycling on a motorway where the police made us get off to something like this.
Here we are on top of the 7th wonder of the world. Was it worth it bringing you here, Dave?
We are 40 extra miles to come up here and see this view. Big pile of sand, can't see the point really. Right, coming down so easy compared to going up.
Day 5, 25 miles out of Bordeaux, feeling good, first coffee in the morning, this is the life.
This is it, we're towards the end of day 5, beautiful evening, lovely autumn trees. I'm really knackered, but don't tell Simon. Almost there, thank God. It's day 5, almost 500 miles. We've done 50 today. We're going on to LeBlanc. We have a nice little restaurant with a table for 2. Day 6 or day 7, God knows what. First accident, just fallen off. Chain came off and down the bank. Simon adopting one of the local dances, the dancers.
So here we are at the next wonder of the world I brought Dave to see. 35 years since I was last here. Azay Le Rideau, beautiful chateau. Amazing how you can persuade Dave to do another 45 miles detour just to see this.
Here we are at 45 extra miles Simon made. Almost killed me by knocking me off my bike. Is it worth it? It's just a house, isn't it, really? Day 8, we're about 20 miles out. My thumb's all swollen, my knees all swollen, my shoulder. But look at it, it still makes me go at this speed.
And here we are, the third wonder of the world that Dave and I have visited. Really happy to make it here. Feeling good. Can't wait to do the next one.
770 miles. What is it? Bit of old scaffolding, really, isn't it?